काँग्रेसीचो पर्येचो आमदार प्रतापसिंह राणे आपल्या राजकीय रिटायरमेंटाचेर स्पष्ट उलोवंक तयार ना। राजकारण आपल्या गळ्यामेरेन पावला। लोकांनी जिखयल्ल्यान 5 वर्सां तांची सेवा करप चुकना म्हूण सिनियर राणे सांगता।
I am at the moment for the next 5 years in politics.
Hence, after that,
After that, definitely I can't tell you, but I am always interested in this institution and it's doing well.
Okay.
I'm proud of it.
So as of now, you've not considered retiring from active politics for this?
Well, I am in it neck deep. What can I do?
Okay.
I can't escape that. Because people have elected me with certain expectations. I have to see that whatever I can deliver.
Okay.
वाळपय बाय इलेक्शनाचेर उलोवंकूय राणे फाटी फुडें जाता। तो काँग्रेसीच्या पोझिशनाचेरूय उलोवंक सोदिना।
Would you like to comment on the bypoll election of Valpoi?
No, thank you. No, thank you. I have said I am not participating, so I don't think I should comment on it.
But sir, do you think there is a tough fight between the Vishwajeet Rane and the Naik Congress?
I don't know. I don't know anything about it. But you ask the concerned people.
But you are the Congress senior leader.
I'm coming here as an educationist.
No, but will you guys for the wishes of the people if it comes for next election?
See, I should be able to work, no? I've done enough. 50 years. By the time this tenure ends.
Will be completing 50. From 72 onwards, no?
72 onwards.
So you might be serving as a governor or something?
That's enough. Now I'll serve myself.
वाळपयत काँग्रेसीचो रॉय नाईक आनी बीजेपीचे विश्वजीत राणे आड स्ट्रेट फायट चल्ल्या। प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर महेश घाडी आनी व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट तुकाराम मराठे।